this is how you make the Gorilla Tag front cover. Last video, I said that I was gonna make one, and make sure to go check that video out. It was very good. Okay, so first we're going to put this, and then we're putting that, this, and that. I'm not watching any tutorial. There's nothing here. And I haven't watched a tutorial because they're all bad. And I never found any. But if you do, just please, just let me know because I want to go see it. If it's there or not.
Do you have the rope?
Just try to make a gaming controller but longer, and then just make a square. And then just make a T. And what I said last time is just tell me what it's called and I'll go check it out again. I just froze right there. I was just getting distracted. And again, there is no tutorial. So I'm just looking for my sisters. And you know, behind me, no. But I made one too, and I'll show that. And I feel like mine, Gorilla Tag one, is better. Just put the same one as this one, okay, guys? Because it looks bad. And that's how you do it. And now let's go look at the one that I made. 8 combine. Sound to compare. But notice the monkey is better. Like that. So subscribe for mine and like for hers. See you in the next video.